It's finally here today. We're taking a look at Tupel 3D Implant Scanner, a wireless photogrammetry system designed for full-edge precision. Full disclosure, Tupel sent us these units for testing and review. This isn't a paid promotion and we're not being paid to share our opinions. That said, in the interest of transparency, they did provide the equipment free of charge. Big thanks to Chi and the Tupel team from the UK. So, if you're on the lookout for a new photogrammetry scanner, this video is here to help you make informed decisions. So, without further ado, let's take a closer look. Right out of the box, you will notice the compact footprint and sleek design. These are the dimension, size, and weight. It's battery-powered, offering up to 25 scans or 2.5 hours of standby time. It features Wi-Fi connectivity, eliminating the need for cumbersome cables. In the box, you'll find a secure transport case, the wireless scanner, calibration plate, country-specific charger, USB cable and Wi-Fi dongle, safety glasses, a set of 6 autoclavable and reusable dot posts, and its specs. At its core, the scanner uses dual 2MP global shutter cameras with iterative noise reduction technology for enhanced accuracy. It achieves a positional accuracy of plus or minus 6 micrometers and angular repeatability of 1/30th of a degree, making it incredibly reliable for full-edge implant workflows. Connectivity includes USB 2.0, USB 3.0, and Wi-Fi for flexible data transfer. It supports STL and coordinate exports, providing open file formats that integrate easily with most CAD/CAM systems. Important note, the scanner requires Tupel's proprietary software to function. This software manages real-time scan capture, scan validation, export of files in TXT and XML formats for downstream digital workflows. The scan time is around 20 seconds. The real-time feedback is fast, and the resulting scans are high resolution, showing crisp margins and clean geometry, even on reflective or metallic surfaces. For clinicians and labs handling guided surgeries, overdentures, or same-day full-arch restorations, the Tupel 3D Implant Scanner offers a precise, time-saving solution that's easy to implement into your digital workflow. Over the next few weeks, we're going to put the Tupel 3D Implant Scanner in testing with the real implant workflow. So stay tuned and be sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. Don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok for behind-the-scenes content and updates.